Hello everyone, today I would like to share with you my presentation about the best review for your channel and a review of Affiliate Automation Academy. The best review is a YouTube channel dedicated to analyzing and reviewing digital marketing products and services, including online courses. The host of the channel is very knowledgeable on the subject and provides detailed and unbiased reviews. Affiliate Automation Academy is a website that offers training and guidance for people who want to make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a form of marketing in which an affiliate promotes products or services from other companies and receives a commission for each sale made through their affiliate link. The site offers comprehensive affiliate marketing courses that cover all aspects of building a successful affiliate marketing business. They offer a 6-week training program that teaches students how to find the right niche, how to create compelling content, how to build an email list, and how to promote products effectively. Students also have access to a variety of resources, such as sales funnel building tools, follow-up email templates, and video training. The site also offers an exclusive member community where students can interact with other affiliate marketers and share experiences. In addition, the Affiliate Automation Academy offers personalized support for its students, with one-on-one training sessions and individual performance reviews to help them improve their performance and increase their commissions. If you are interested in learning more about affiliate marketing and want to build a profitable affiliate business, Affiliate Automation Academy may be a great option for you. The site offers a comprehensive training program, personalized support, an exclusive member community, useful tools and resources, and flexibility. Affiliate Automation Academy solves several common problems that people face when trying to make money with affiliate marketing. Some of the problems it addresses include lack of knowledge and skills. Many people who want to become affiliates do not have enough knowledge or skills in digital marketing to build a successful affiliate business. Affiliate Automation Academy offers comprehensive training to help students learn important skills such as content marketing, email list building, and creating sales funnels. Choosing the wrong niche. Choosing the right niche is essential for success in affiliate marketing. Affiliate Automation Academy teaches students how to find the right niche for them based on their interests and skills. Lack of support and community. Many people trying to make money with affiliate marketing feel isolated and unsupported. Affiliate Automation Academy offers an exclusive member community where students can interact with other affiliate marketers and get personalized support from their coaches. Lack of tools and resources. Building an affiliate marketing business requires the use of various tools and resources, such as sales funnel building tools and follow-up email templates. Affiliate Automation Academy offers access to a variety of tools and resources to help students build a successful affiliate business. There are several benefits to using the Affiliate Automation Academy website to learn about affiliate marketing. Some of the benefits include comprehensive training. Affiliate Automation Academy offers a comprehensive training program that covers all aspects of affiliate marketing, from choosing a niche to promoting products effectively. This helps students acquire important skills for building a successful affiliate business. Personalized support. The site offers personalized support for its students, including one-on-one coaching sessions and individual performance reviews. This helps students identify areas where they need to improve and receive guidance to achieve their goals. Exclusive member community. Students have access to an exclusive member community where they can interact with other affiliate marketers and share experiences. This can be a great source of inspiration and motivation for students. Useful tools and resources. The site offers access to various tools and resources, such as sales funnel building tools and follow-up email templates. This helps students build a more efficient affiliate business and increase their commissions. Flexibility. The Affiliate Automation Academy training program is designed to be flexible and can be accessed anytime and anywhere. This is convenient for those who have a busy schedule and need training that fits their needs. A student shared that he was struggling to increase his affiliate commissions and didn't know how to scale his business. After enrolling in the Affiliate Automation Academy training program, he learned advanced affiliate marketing strategies, shared that he was struggling to build a profitable affiliate business and didn't know how to get started. After enrolling in the Affiliate Automation Academy program, he learned about content marketing, email list building, and creating effective sales funnels. With the guidance of his coaches, he was able to increase his affiliate commissions by over 200% in just a few months. He said the personalized support and exclusive member community were essential to his successful journey. Overall, Affiliate Automation Academy is an impressive course that offers valuable and practical content for anyone who wants to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing. If you are looking for a high-quality and proven course, Affiliate Automation Academy is definitely an option to consider. For more information, go to the official website in the description of this video. Leave your like. Thank you for watching.